Your accounts receivable, recurring fee schedule, will be used to define all of the fees and discounts applied at your center. Although this is referred to as the recurring fees schedule, you can also define your non-recurring fees. We recommend that you define all fees and discounts here, so that there is consistency with this data throughout the system. To begin, click on Accounting along the main menu, or you can click on the clock icon, which will open the fee schedule for you. Click on Accounts Receivable. Now, click on AR Rules. Next, click on Edit Recurring Fee Schedule. The recurring fee schedule is now displayed. Let's discuss each column. The fee definition is used to define each fee and discount. This fee definition is what you will see when you are assigning fees to students. Therefore, the description should be clear and concise. For example, there are multiple fees for 2-year-olds, and each fee is clearly defined. The posting description is visible to both your staff and your customers. It is displayed on customer billing statements and within the billing details in SchoolLeader. The description should be clear and understandable by your customers and staff. The posting description may contain the custom SchoolLeader variable labeled %period date. When using the variable %period date, SchoolLeader substitutes these words with the current billing period. For example, this posting description may read, Tuition, October 22nd through October 26th. As another example, for the fee definition, discount, flat dollar amount, the posting description will simply print as, discount. The credit transfer column is only used when the fee is being paid by two different parties, the primary guardian and a third-party sponsor. The third-party sponsor is typically a subsidy organization, scholarship fund, or, perhaps, divorced parents. This fee then represents the portion that the third party is paying. If a fee is to be paid by two different parties, then check this box. Otherwise, leave this box unchecked. The AR account represents which sub-account to use for booking this type of revenue. The chart of accounts has already been defined. To make your selection, click on the down arrow, then double-click on the selected account. The third-party sponsor, subsidizer, is only used when the fee is being paid by two different parties, the primary guardian and a third-party sponsor. The third-party sponsor must already be defined using the third-party sponsor folder. If this fee is for a third-party sponsor, click the down arrow, then double-click on the selected sponsor. Otherwise, leave the None selection. The billing cycle defines the cycle this fee represents. For example, a weekly fee, a bi-weekly fee, a monthly fee, etc. You can define up to 8 different billing cycles. The cycles do not have any predetermined meaning, so you can choose any number between 1 and 8 to represent your billing cycles. If you only perform weekly billing, then you only need to specify one billing cycle and should probably select 1. But let's assume you perform weekly billing as well as monthly billing. Your weekly fees will differ from your monthly fees, so you need to define 2 separate cycles. Enter your weekly fees and discounts and assign them to cycle 1. Now, enter your monthly fees and discounts and assign them to a cycle other than 1. Let's select 4. When you tell SchoolLeader it is time to post your center's recurring fees, you will be prompted for the billing cycle. Each week, you will be posting fees for cycle 1, your weekly cycle. Then, once a month, you will be posting fees again for cycle 4, your monthly cycle. Each fee and discount is either a dollar amount or a percentage. They can't be both at the same time. If the fee represents a dollar amount, enter that amount in the dollar fee column. The amount can be a positive or negative number. A negative dollar amount represents a credit, such as -$10. If this is a third-party sponsor fee, then this fee must be a negative number. In this example, we have specified a negative $1 fee. We do this, as most subsidized students will have different subsidized amounts. Instead of specifying multiple fees for each different subsidy amount, for each student, we choose negative $1. We will then override this amount individually in each student's folder. If the fee represents a percentage amount, enter that amount in the percent fee column. Most percentage discounts are represented by a negative number, such as negative 10%. You can, however, have a positive percent fee amount, which will act as a surcharge, for example, add 5%. The last two columns, effective start date and effective end date, are optional, and we recommend you use these columns with extreme caution. You can assign start and end dates to fees and discounts. Note that when a fee expires, the family will not be billed unless you have already added a new fee to the student folder that starts at the same time a fee expires. The start date and end date must be the first and last days of your standard billing cycle. For weekly billing cycles, the start date is most likely a Sunday date, and the end date is most likely a Saturday date. If you are planning a fee change, simply update the new fees in the fee schedule before the next billing cycle. The new fees will be immediately reflected in all student and guardian folders. Therefore, there is no need to use the effective start and end dates. Delete a fee definition. Click on the arrow located to the left of the definition. The row becomes highlighted. Now, click on the delete key on your keyboard. You will be prompted to confirm the deletion. If you click yes and delete the row, this fee will be deleted from all student and guardian folders. This is okay to do, just ensure that you assign a new replacement fee, so that families are billed correctly. Click the X key to close the recurring fee schedule.